What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Samsung has just started rolling out a brand new update for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Let me just go to the settings here and tap on the software update. As you can see, we got this orange dot. I'll just tap on download and install. This is the all new update we have got. This is a security patch for February 2024. As you can see, the size here is 349.84 MB. The version number ends with BWKA and the One UI version is 6.0. So we can expect One UI 6.1 probably next month, in the month of March. We will have to wait for a few weeks from now. Now, as far as this security update is concerned, it's purely a security patch. There is no new features being added here, and it's more of bug fixes and stability improvement. Now, let me go ahead and tap on install, and I'll come back to you guys in a second. Alright, now the phone has been updated and it's running very smoothly. There is no issues at all on this device. The UI is smooth. There is no bugs or no lags or status on the device. The app opening and closing is pretty smooth on this phone, like the S24 or the S23 series. No issues so far. And as far as the battery life is concerned, this device has got around 44 mAh battery, and despite having this large internal screen, the phone can last for the entire day. By the end of the day, before I go to bed, I'll be left with around 10 to 15% of the battery, which is great for a device like this. Now, for some reason, as far as the features are concerned, I don't think Samsung is giving its 100% to offer new features, new updates for this device. We know that the target audience or the target users are different for this phone. However, I feel that there should be new features being added and they should enhance the usability of this device. And I feel Samsung should work on some exclusive features for foldables and flip phones, and I don't see that happening. But the exciting news is the next generation of the Galaxy Z Fold, the Z Fold 6, is going to be much better. It is going to have a different screen real estate. As per some of the leaks, the aspect ratio is going to change, and we can expect the screen to be a little wider, like you can see this leaked image. That might be very exciting for a lot of you guys out there, people who don't like this particular form factor. You might like the next generation of Galaxy Z Fold 5. So what do you think about the next generation of the Z Fold? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you haven't updated the device yet, go ahead, update your device. It is going to be very important because your security enhancement, battery improvements, bug fixes will happen with these updates. So make sure you update your device. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you are already a subscriber on the channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and become a part of Apex community to know your phone better, and give this video a like if you find this useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian, signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.